Is the food good? Yes, it tastes great. Is this your car? No, it is not mine. Why did you leave early? I had an appointment. I had an appointment. When does the store open? It opens at 9 a.m. It opens at 9 a.m. Can you repeat that? Yes, of course. Where do you work? I work in a bank. I work in a bank. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Yes, I am ready. What is the weather like? What is the weather like? It is sunny today. It is sunny today. Do you need anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. How do you feel? How do you feel? I feel happy. I feel happy. Is this your first time here? Yes, it is my first time. Why are you late? I missed the bus. I missed the bus. When is the meeting? It is at 2 p.m. It is at 2 p.m. Can you help me? Yes. What do you need? Yes. What do you need? Where did you buy that? Where did you buy that? I bought it at the mall. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, I am okay. What is your address? My address is 123 Main Street. How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? No, I don't have a pet. How much is this? It is $10. It is $10. Do you like reading? Yes, I enjoy reading books. Yes, I enjoy reading books. Where is the bathroom? It's on the left. It's on the left. Are you coming tomorrow? Are you coming tomorrow? Yes, I will come tomorrow. What did you eat? What did you eat? I ate a sandwich. Do you need help? No, I am okay. Thanks. No, I am okay. Thanks. How was your day? How was your day? It was good. Thank you. Is this set free? Is, it, is this set free? Yes, it is free. Why do you study German? Because I like languages. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive a car. Yes, I can drive a car. When do you work? I work in the mornings. When do you work? I work in the mornings. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. Yes, I am tired. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Do you play football? Yes, I like to play football. Do you play football? Yes, I like to play football. How are you? How are you? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. Is this your book? Is this your book? Yes, that is my book. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Canada. I am from Canada. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music. What time is it? What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. Is it raining? No, it is not raining. Why are you here? I am here to learn. I am here to learn. When is your birthday? My birthday is in May. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have a sister. Can I help you? Can I help you? Yes, please. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Where is the station? Where is the station? It is over there. It is over there. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? It's around the corner. Do you mind? No, go ahead. No, go ahead. How was your trip? How was your trip? It was wonderful. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes, that's clear. Why is so noisy? Why is it so noisy? There's construction nearby. When will you return? When will you return? I'll return next week. Can you open the window? Yes, I will open it. I will open it. Where are my keys? They are on the shelf. They are on the shelf. Are you listening? Yes, I am listening. Yes, I am listening. What did you say? What did you say? I said, see you later. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Yes, here is it. Here it is. How did you know? A friend told me. Thanks for watching my video.